Well, hello, my friend. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about a program that is just absolutely on a rip up north, and I could not be more excited. I'll tell you what, we've got people coming. I'm going to show you in this video how I had 32 grid builders, 32 signups into this one program inside of 48 hours. Let me say that again. Is that not life-changing or what? 32 signups within 48 hours. I'm going to show you how we're doing it. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. We're going to talk about the supplement grid in this video. Guys, go ahead and this thing is just absolutely astounding as to what we're doing with it. Selling products, and these products are amazing, and I could not be more excited. We're going to show you what's going on, how we had 32 people join the team, maybe over 32 within the last 48 hours. And we're going to show you how you can partner alongside of us and see the same results. We're going to throw out income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens until you take action. You'll do a lot of it. This program, folks, can and will potentially change your life if you plug in. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Look at this page here. We got this page here. Our team leader, Greg Bethea, has put this thing together, and it's converting like nobody's business. It's been a long time since I got a system that is converting this well. And this is on a tear north, and I could not be more excited. I want to invite you to come along and get a system just like this. We'll have you up and running within, it takes just a few minutes to set your system up and start driving traffic. The program that we're talking about is the supplement grid, guys and gals. We are sell supplements. We have a supplement store. We have high impact products, performance. We have women, men's, wellness, vegan foods. And it's a chance you can come and plug in, find a great product, put it on auto ship, and you're off to the races. I'm telling you what, and the support, the community that we've built around this system is absolutely life-changing. And I want to invite you for a ride. Now, how we're doing it, what we're doing, we're running traffic. We're getting us a capture page, and we're running traffic to this site. Let me show you this here. When you join the supplement grid, we're going to plug you in. We're going to plug you into our system. Look at this matrix. This is what we call a 5x5 forced matrix. And on the first level, all you can have is 5 people. On the next level, 25, 125 on the next. Folks, look at that. 125 people on your team. You're at $500 a month. Is it possible? Absolutely yes. Does it happen overnight? No. But what we're doing, the system that we've got now, when you plug in, we can show you how you can get your first 5, 10 signups within a week. And then think about it, folks. You are signing up, and then you're going to teach your team how to do the same. This is life-changing. Our team is exploding to the upside, and it's exciting. And we're going to show you how to duplicate that through your team. Very exciting. 3,000 people on your team, you're at 14,000. Just only 3,000. Folks, I mean, the commissions. So these commissions paid out 6%. I'm not talking about 25 cents a person in your matrix. I'm talking about 3,000 people, and you're at 14 grand a month. It's possible. And I'm excited about it. What we're doing, we're buying good quality clicks over here at Udemy. We come over here, we find a solo ad provider, and we simply drive high quality. I'm not talking about junk traffic. I'm talking about junk clicks or spamming anybody. I'm talking about high quality solo ad traffic to your link. And we can show you how to get your first 5 signups within a day or 2. This is life-changing. I want you to get signed up. Jose is fired up about the system. He has inspired us. He wants us to get a Zoom call together. So I am working. We're going to be bringing a Zoom call. In the meanwhile, folks, when you sign up, look at this presentation. Of course, understand how this matrix works. 5 on your first, 25 on your next, and then that's forced down. That's all the people that can come into your matrix. On your second level, 25 people, and they spill over into your third level, which is at 125. And then it goes to 625 and then 3,125 on your next level, the last level, folks. And when you fill that, make sure you start another one. Can 14 grand a month change you in your family life? Folks, can 500, can 300, can 200 a month change you in your family life? Folks, we got a system, and all you do is plug in. So understand how this matrix works. Put a product on auto ship. Watch this presentation. Get excited. When you're ready, we have a Zoom on Monday and Wednesday night. I want to invite you to come along. The owner of the program goes through it. Here is a previous recorded call of a Zoom, going through the presentation, telling people about it, and that's exciting. We just had a meeting in Charleston, and our next meeting is going to be in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'll be there. I'll be in Charlotte, North Carolina. You want to meet Timothy Thomas. And I'm excited about this every Wednesday night, every Monday and Wednesday night. So you can come to a live meeting. We're building a community around it, a community of friends that know what they're doing. Plug in, folks. And our team leader, Greg, has put together a traffic co-op. Here we go. Grid builders. My name is Greg Bethea. I am the upline team leader. And I want to thank all the grid builders. Our team is exploding. Folks are starting to see results that are life-changing. And you can get a campaign ran as low as 300 clicks up to 500. Greg said he ran a campaign. He's personally sponsored 50 new grid builders within a couple of days. Folks, this is life-changing. I want you to plug in because we're getting ready to go to the upside. I mean, all aboard. A rocket ship going north. And look at what look at the results, folks. Grid builder, grid builder, grid builder. Look at the people that are coming in. I mean, 100 people within a few days' time has joined his team. Folks, you can plug in, experience the same results. Look at this right here in real time. 34, as I record this video, 34 signups have come into my team. Over 34 signups in the last 2 days. Can you win? Click that like button, folks. Hit that like, smash out the like button. Hit the notification bell so all of you will be the first to know. All right, this is your call to action. Click the link below the video. Now, I am going to start putting a rotator link from for team members on the video. When you join the link below the video, it may not be my link. It may be a rotator for every video that I'm making from this time forward. I will put a team member's link into the rotator so that it'll rotate around our numbers. I believe Zig Ziglar said help enough people get what they want. You can have everything in life that you want. Get started today. Don't wait. Plug into the system. Get a hold of us. Send us an email. Say, hey, guys, I got my system ready. I'm ready for traffic. And we'll get you started. You'll get a welcome email, and we'll get you off to the races. All right, folks, if you found value in this video, if you're ready to get started with the supplement grid, get on our call on Monday and Wednesdays. We're going to have a Zoom call for our team also here pretty shortly. All right, great things are happening. Exciting times ahead, and I'll see you at the top of success and on the next video.